Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland,
Hazard,
northwestern
60 miles per
County
hour
in
wind
southern
gusts.
Maryland, east central
Source.
Georges County in central Maryland until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Deal to 6 miles east of Breezy Point to near Taylor's Island, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Bowie, Annapolis, Mayo, Shadyside, Chesapeake Beach, Deal, Naval Academy, Upper Marlboro, Manistee River, Dobbins Island, Severn River, South River, Pinehurst, Gibson Island, Tillery Bay, Bodkin Point, Breezy Point, Road River, Severna Park, and Arnold. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Correcting. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern
Island.